Hello all traders, today is Friday 6th of December 2024 and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 if we see low risk opportunities. As we see on the 1 hour macro chart, the price started to go up during the Asian session and retested the previous day close and low during the London session on all E-minis, and the buyers came back. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price tested the previous level of support and started to go up on all E-minis. So the price is getting close to the resistance level, and we don't know on a daily chart if it breaks the high of all time that is already reached on Nasdaq and S&P 500, which are more trendy. So our plan of action for today is to wait for the volatility to calm down, and if the price come back and retest this level of support and the buyers come back, we will take long position. If it goes down below this level, we will take sell short positions, and if it continues to go up and past this resistance level, which is the high of all time, and we see a well-established uptrend, we will take long positions again. So stay tuned and we're gonna update you with any trade that we're gonna take today. So we're back, and as you see, the market passed the previous day's high and it's very trendy. So we're gonna take long position in every pullback, and if we see buyers are very strong, we may enter with breakout. So we enter in the middle and the lower area of the channel with limit orders and close it in the middle and upper area of the channels again to take profit. So we have taken several long positions so far. So the Nasdaq is reaching the high of all time. We're gonna see if it can pass this level. The S&P 500 was closed with profit. We just closed these positions because the buyers are not pushing the price higher. But now the level just got broken. We got one position filled on Dow Jones. We're setting limit orders for the pullback of the Nasdaq. We had another position filled on Dow Jones. We just closed it. So since the price couldn't break this level and the order flow shows that the sellers are coming back, we entered one sell short position. We will see if I just close it with break even because it seems the sellers were not very strong to reverse the price. I entered again several long positions on Nasdaq and close it with profit. We have now one position on Nasdaq, but I closed it quickly because the buyers were not strong. We entered again this deep pullback and we managed and close it in upper area of channel with profit. This is another good deep pullback on Nasdaq, so I entered here with limit order several long positions and close it in the middle of channel with profit. Again, this deep pullback is good area for setup C, so I entered some positions here and managing and closing this also in the upper area of channel. You see what happens, I just close it with profit. So we're done for the day. And let's look at the stats of all these trades that were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts. As you see, we are positive on this account that shows profit factor of 3.85, which is coming from 76% win rate, 80% from 24 long positions taken, and one losing sell short position with the average win to loss ratio of 1.22. The largest winning trade was 190. And the largest losing trade was $144. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and also weekend.